Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to properly use SmartThings app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using the SmartThings app properly helps you get the most out of your smart home devices by organizing, automating and controlling them from one place. So what you need to do first is head over and open up your app store, and then on the search bar type in SmartThings, then hit enter. Now once the search results loads, look for an app icon like this on your search list and then simply tap on it. Now in order to download it, simply tap on the get button that is highlighted in blue color and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, simply tap on open, and then once you're inside there, on the top right corner of the screen you'll be getting the sign in option. Simply tap on that, and then all you gotta do is sign in with your Samsung account credentials. Then once signed into your account, if you want to connect device to SmartThings, all you gotta do is tap on devices on the bottom of the screen, and then you'll find an option that says add device, and then right beside it you'll find the option or icon plus icon. Simply tap on that. Then what you need to do is select the brand and type of device. Then follow the on-screen instructions to pair often via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and then make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the device you're connecting. Some devices may require the SmartThings Edge driver for advanced functions like custom hubs or sensors. Then you can organize by location and room as well. Tap on the menu icon, bottom right corner of the screen, and then here what you need to do is select manage locations. Then tap on add rooms like living room or bedroom to organize your devices. Then create automations and scenes. Simply tap on routines on the bottom, then tap on the plus, and here tap on scenes and then tap on plus again and set it for an example like movie night, dim lights turn on TV, close blinds. You can use the dashboard as well from the home screen by simply heading over to the home, and then from the home screen see the status of devices, which is on or off, temperature, open or closed. You can control everything from the screen like turning off lights, locking doors or changing the thermostat as well. Then you can set access with the family as well by simply tapping on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings on the top right corner, then scroll down and then select manage members. Then inside here tap on share location, then invite family members so they can control and view devices as well. You can monitor devices as well by simply heading over back and tapping on the devices option, and then check device history, battery status and last activity as well. You can use voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant or Bixby with the SmartThings. Set up notification for events like water leaks or door opening. Regular update the app and firmware for new features and better compatibility. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.